gotta go check on my girls.
Give your heart and love, little girl. But handed you a lie, now I'm sorry. You're just a little sweeter than the rest. Believe me when I say I don't want to hurt you or do anything to spoil your happiness. Don't fall in love with me, darling, I'm a rambler.
We got some good rain last night before the snow iced up. At least it's not another ice apocalypse. Grab my chunk of straw.
Never make you cry, but the tears came down like rain, my dear darling. I'm sorry that I ever said goodbye. Don't fall in love with me, darling, I'm a rambler.
What's going on here? Oh, you guys are getting a little drifting going. Yeah. Here's some more straw. There's several food areas for them. I'm guessing the egg production is gonna be low today. Water's good. Man, got a heater on that thing, but it's plugged in, so I guess it's melted. What's going on, girls? Oh, thanks for the treats. Whoa! Yeah, it's blowing so bad, it's blowing it even with this door closed. It's getting in their coop. Yeah, looks like a little bit of a blizzard, but at least they're still laying eggs for me.